Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to do the 3-month update on the Ware pan set that I bought. So what I'll do is dive straight into it. Hi Weber fans, now don't forget, everything goes to my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so back in today's video, I'm going to be sharing any issues I've had with the casserole dish, and I have had an issue. Now, if you've had this issue, make sure you comment down below and let me know how you get on. But I'm going to show you the issue I had and how it got resolved. Right, so if you remember, a few months back, I did a review on the Weber casserole dish. Now, as you know, I do honest reviews and non-biased. Yes, I work for Weber occasionally, but whether there's a fault with any product, I will let you know about it. Now, with the casserole dish, there is a fault, and I'm going to share with you what it is, and you can get it resolved by Weber, so just be aware of this fault. So, as you know, when you buy with the casserole dish, you get a lid with it. If you buy the double pack like I've got here, you get the casserole dish and the frying pan. If you buy the frying pan on its own, you do not get the lid. Now, Weber, I'm pretty sure, know about this issue, and they will resolve it for you. So I'll zoom in and I'll quickly show you the issue I've had with this casserole dish and the lid over 3 months, and I've only used it twice. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in and have a look what the issue was. So this is a set I bought, and I will put an icon above linking to a video that I did when I reviewed it. So make sure you check that out at the end of this video. Right, so we'll move all this, and the issue I've got with, not the dish, but the actual lid. Okay, so now I've used this lid, and I used it twice. And the second time I used it, this happened. Okay, so what happens, and I'll take it all apart, it's a shame because it's quite a good set, especially with the release valve and that for letting the air in and out. So I used this twice, and when I brought it in the house and took the handle off, well, that handle actually came off. Now, I've only ever had this issue once, and I've had it with a baby Q handle on the actual lid. So what you've got is two parts. You've got your handle, and you've got the base part where this connects to that, like so, and it screws inside. But what happens, as you can see, this shim, or whatever you call it, comes loose. It must heat up over time, and it just comes out. I mean, I only used it twice and it came out. I did contact Weber, and I'll show you what I received. Right, so apart from that, it's been a pretty reasonable product. Yes, I think they're expensive, and I do put links in the description of cheaper places to get them from. Big thing with it is you do get that Weber warranty. Now, I contacted Weber, and within 3 days, they sent me out a new part. Now, I was expecting one of these, just a new handle part with the shim, just to assemble it back together. But what they actually sent me was a whole lid. This is the lid they sent me. So I'm pretty sure that Weber know about it, and they must be replacing them, because we've gone from a release valve to let the air in and out of that lid to a little hole in the top and just a normal handle. So this is what they sent me, and they posted out free of charge. So comment down below if you've had an issue with your casserole dish lid, and whether you got it replaced by Weber. If you haven't, make sure you contact Weber. They will replace it under warranty. It must be an issue that they've discovered. They are still selling this product with this on. Some of them might be fine. It might just be a dodgy batch they had. But I'm assuming they've thought, well, that's releasing, we'll just replace the whole lid and won't bother with the release valve. And they've put it in place, this one, instead of this one. I mean, you can put it back together. It's easy to put back together. It's just a case of putting that back in there. That little thing in the hole slots in there. So your handle goes through the top. And then that part there, you just turn it round till it clips, find the little 3 prongs, okay, and you can push it back in. Now that's back together now, but how long that will last, I'm not too sure. If you're picking it up outside, if it's hot and that does release, that's going to shatter all over the floor, so just be aware of that. And my advice would be, just contact Weber and they'll send you out a new lid. Right, now don't forget, everything you use in my videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, I was quite lucky with that casserole dish lid that when that handle came off, it didn't shatter outside, it actually came off. Just as I brought it in the kitchen, I lifted it off, I'm like, whoa, it came apart. So like I said in the video, I'm pretty sure Weber are aware of this issue because they've got an abundance of these, probably waiting to post them out to customers that have that issue. Now, like I said, it takes about 3 days, whether it be with the Weber lid or Weber product that you've got, but Weber will replace it under warranty and post it out free of charge. All you have to do is take photos, send them an email of the problem, and they will replace it free of charge and post it out to your home. For those of you not aware, I have got a second channel and I'm giving away 2 home care systems on that. Now, if you want to enter that giveaway, you must be subscribed to that channel and you must answer the question on that channel when it gets aired. I'll put an card above linking to that channel as well, so you can show your support over there and hopefully get one of these giveaways. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so back into today's video, I'm going to be doing, if you remember, a couple of months back, I did a review on the Weber casserole dish and